Hey guys, I just want to do a quick update on the markets and what's happening. So as you can see, very interestingly, Bitcoin has basically hit $65,000 yesterday after very good GDP news and Powell basically speaking. So we can actually see that we've hit $65,000. So we're back at these levels again, guys, which is absolutely amazing. um, Again, we've hit these levels. We pushed past 65,000 during US market hours yesterday, right? Again, the coins that did really well. Cardano, Avalanche, Near, all outperforming. Unfortunately, Ether modestly underperforming, right? But again, the bigger coins actually doing pretty well. AVAX, Near, and all that actually moving up really nicely, right? So again, as we mentioned many times, right? Like Federal Reserve has slashed interest rates, and we are basically instead of a 25 basis points, it's a 50 basis points move, and the next meeting is basically November 7th, right? November 7th, and of course, we actually also do have. The elections that's actually coming up November 5th as well, right? So again, we're looking at a bullish move. So what are the charts actually showing us, right? So I just want to show you all real quick what the charts are actually showing, right? And again, if we actually look at the 4 hour chart, we can actually see a clear breakout of the resistance, right? So here we've actually clearly broken out in the 4 hours, right? In terms of a downtrend, we've broken up. All the lines are actually aligning. If I go and zoom out on a longer term time frame, on a daily time frame, it looks great as well. We are definitely out of a downtrend. We're looking up. Everything is actually pointing up, right? So we're pretty much up, and moving up already, right? And again, total tree. If I look at total tree, basically total tree is your, uh, you know, uh, altcoin market cap, right? And altcoin market cap again, we've broken out very clearly off the downtrend, and we are pretty much very much up right now, right? So if you're looking at the daily chart, which is a longer time frame, you can actually see the EMAs and all that, they're actually converging, and very soon the 100 is actually going to be crossing above the 200 as well, which is a fantastic sign, right? So again, we are pushing out of a multiple month low, and to be honest, we still got much more to climb, right? So the sentiment is actually looking great, guys. It's actually looking absolutely fantastic. And many of our coins in our portfolio list have done incredibly well over the last few months, right? Over the last few weeks, in fact, right? So let me run you through some of my altcoin major positions, right? So I'm just going to run you through some of the coins, right? Like Solana, for example, looking good again, broken out of the downtrend. We're going up, everything's looking good, pushing up really well. Currently, right now, we're sitting at 154. If I look at a 4 hour chart, again, everything's priming up really well. And again, guys, primarily right now, we want to look to long with the trend, right? So if I look at, if I don't feel like enough of Solana, for example, I'm looking to long with the trend, anywhere, if we come below sub 150, 148, that level, right? We're looking to re-enter again because, we're back on an uptrend, right? So that's something that is great. Again, look to long with the trend. I think that's the most important thing. And for now, if I will give you one piece of, advice, sure, you can have two portfolios, one which you can use primarily to trade, but the main one, please just sit on your bums and ride this wave, right? Like really ride this wave. I will give a quick update if we do hit $70,000 levels, maybe at $70,000 levels for Bitcoin. We will look to ladder off some, right? Just in preparation, because again, it might be a resistance which pushes back down. But right now, in the next couple of weeks, I wouldn't be surprised if we do hit those levels again, right? So, basically keep your seat belts on, guys, right? So very important. If you look at FTM, is doing really well. This is a forward chart, a bit of a retracement actually happening. But if we do, want to accumulate, back at this zone about 65 cents, 60 cents, it's great, right? In the last couple of, in the last 1 month, FTM has seen a massive gain of nearly over 100%, right? So, if you guys have been sitting on FTM, great, right? If you manage to accumulate at these prices, we've seen 100% gain, right? So again, we're looking to accumulate, and again, if you are sitting on positions, my advice very simply is look, right, let it ride, man. We're looking to actually see it ride, much higher, right? At least back up to about $1, right? So that's basically my price target of where I see it going in the very near future, right? So again, keep it locked, keep it tight. If you don't have positions, something to definitely consider as well on retracements, right? So FTM is one, Near is another one as well. All right, so Near is doing really well. In the last 1 month, has done fantastic. And the reason why I like it is because all of it is actually on the daily chart. It's all basically pushing above the EMA 200 already, right? So it was going on a downtrend for quite a bit. If you actually can see for near, right, it was going on a downtrend for quite a bit, right? But we've clearly broken above it. Now we're up above, right? So that's great. So again, if you're sitting on positions, right, look to ride the wave. Again, next move up will be at least to 6.3, right? So this is the next move up, which I can actually see for near, right? So again, like I said, October is near. October is near. October is here. October is near, and we really want to take advantage of this, right? So again, sit on tight. If you do not have positions, these are some really, really great coins to look at to basically add positions, right? So these are some of my major altcoin positions that I actually have in my portfolio. Let's just, yesterday, we're just looking at Doge, right? And Doge started going crazy yesterday, right? So Doge basically did a huge move up. If I show you all a 4 hour, yesterday, we did this sudden massive push up, which was quite interesting, right? So very, very good push up. If you look at that chart, all right, we can basically see, again, very nice trend they were trading with. Yesterday there was this huge breakout. If I look at the daily chart, right now we're pretty much wrestling with the 200 EMA. But if we break above that, Doge can basically absolutely fly, right? Which is interesting as well. So these memes are going. The dog that I really, really, really am on currently right now is WIF, right? So I have positions in WIF, and it's great, right? Like the entire move and the entire setup is fantastic. A nice breakout, and again, guys, the potential for this to go up, it's insane, right? So currently right now at $2.10, right, we're looking at least, right, as in, possibly for it to actually go up to, again, 270, right? I wouldn't be surprised, right? Like, this is basically the upside I'm seeing in the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, right? So again, if you do have these positions, be strapped on. Let's enjoy this move up. If you do see any forms of retracements, then please look to enter for any of these strong coins and these strong positions. All right. So that's what I'm looking at currently right now, guys. I hope you found this video useful. And again, like I said, we want to keep a watch out right about till Bitcoin 70,000. You want to keep a keen eye, right? Like probably once we do reach the levels, I will be looking to let off some profits off the table, and then I'll decide my next move from there, right? So again, as always, I'll keep you guys updated. Let's go. Let's make some money, man. I hope you guys found this video useful.